Saurabh, did it work out? Did it work out, Saurabh? Ashutosh, did it work out? Mr. Nadda, the meeting was fruitful. The meeting was fruitful. Did you agree? Sir, will the minister resign, sir? Sir, will the minister resign? Will Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan resign? We are at the Constitution Club of India, and the crowd that you see is mostly of media people. We have been waiting here for the past 1.5 hours and even more. Inside Constitution Club, there is a very crucial meeting which is still underway or probably has concluded. A meeting between the Prime Minister Modi government and CJP delegation. Now, this meeting is happening at a neutral place in respect to the demand that was made by CJP that we will not be coming down to your office. If you can't come to Jantar Mantar, then let's figure out a neutral place, and at that neutral place, let us go meet. This meeting between the government, the central government, and CJP delegation is also happening a day after Sonam Wangchuk, the climate activist, one who has been on the hunger strike for 26 days, whose hunger strike also kind of gave a lot of prominence to the protests which had been going on for over a month now. He broke his fast after meeting JP Nadda, Union Minister. JP Nadda was also the person from whose hand Sonam Wangchuk broke his fast, his 26-day long fast. And this meeting between CJP delegation and the government of India is happening a day after that. So can this meeting really break the impasse, end the stalemate? We have to wait and see. But even after Sonam Wangchuk had announced his breaking of fast, the CJP delegation, the night itself, I would say, announced that while they appreciate Sonam Wangchuk is breaking his fast and they care for his health, their agitation would continue till their principal demand is met, and that is resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Education Minister. The government has so far not really shown any kind of inclination of bending towards accepting that very decision or demand of CJP. Without that decision being taken or without that demand being kept, can the stalemate come to an end or the impasse get over? Can this meeting between the government of India and CJP finally be of any fruitful? We have to wait and see. But we cannot discount the fact that there is huge momentum which had been building up over the past few days, ever since the students were assaulted by Delhi police and videos of which had gone viral on social media. Ever since then, there is a huge traction, huge momentum, and people who do not belong to any political party or organization, just civilians, voluntarily have chosen to come out and show solidarity. Many are saying the fear is gone. Is that good for the government? For now, we're waiting for a press conference to give us some clarity as what happened inside the meeting room where cameras were not allowed. नहीं एकदम नहीं आएंगे सर, डोंट वरी. Saurabh, did it work out? Did it work out, Saurabh? Ashutosh, did it work out? Okay, there you see Saurabh Das and Ashutosh Shaka. They have just stepped out and they were given this entire security passage, a secured passage for them to reach out to there.
Second round of talks के लिए बुलाया हम लोगों के नाम लास्ट टाइम किया था. उस टाइम पे 4 घंटे लग गए थे 10 मिनट का वार्तालाप करने के लिए, लेकिन इस बार हमारे पंजाब के अंदर हमारी बातचीत हो। आज हम लोग यहाँ पे आए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड बातचीत हुई लगभग 2 घंटे। हम लोगों ने जेपी नड्डा जी एंड इनके साथ जो मिनिस्टर जितेंद्र सिंह जी हैं उनके सामने हमारे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी का इस्तीफा जो नॉन नेगोशिएबल है और या तो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी का
यार आप लोग बाइट रोकिए बहुत
उनको निकालना। नंबर 2, 1 करोड़ का कॉम्पनसेशन जो फैमिलीज हैं जिनके बच्चे नीट एस्पिरेंट्स के सिस्टम की वजह से उन्होंने सुसाइड
इसको नीचे करो जी।
उनके लिए 1 करोड़ का कॉम्पनसेशन। एंड नंबर 3 जो FIRs फाइल हुए हैं हमारे जनपद के हिसाब से 11 FIRs फाइल हुए हैं उन 11 FIRs की कॉपी हमने और साथ साथ हमने एक और चीज रिजाइन का बोलो एक और चीज हुआ है। हम लोगों ने बोला कि दिल्ली पुलिस के द्वारा बहुत सारे यंग लड़के लड़कियां युवा है इस देश के उनको कल रात से पूरे दिन और आज भी डिटेन किया जा रहा है कोई रीजन के बगैर। वो लोग जो जंतर मंतर से निकल के घर जा रहे हो, वो लोग जो जंतर मंतर के तरफ आ रहे हो एंड वो लोग जो जैसे खाना पहुंचा रहे हो, ऐसे यंग लोगों को पुलिस चुन चुन के डिटेन कर रही है, लॉयर्स के साथ धक्का मुक्की कर रही है। जब हमने ये बताया सरकार को कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट है लोगों के अंदर, उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन अगर हो रहा है उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया है कि ऐसा नहीं होगा एंड दिल्ली पुलिस को वो बोलेंगे ऐसा नहीं करने को। बात आएंगे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी के
जो मेन मांग थी उस मांग के ऊपर कुछ बोले।
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी के इस्तीफे को लेकर सरकार डेलीगेशन से विस्तृत चर्चा हुई है। हमने सरकार को बहुत साफ शब्दों में ये बताया है धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी के इस्तीफे या कैबिनेट से उनकी बर्खास्तगी के नीचे कुछ भी मंजूर नहीं होगा। पूरे देश भर में इस समय जहां अलग अलग आंदोलन चल रहे हैं, पूरे देश के युवाओं में जो गुस्सा है, जो आक्रोश है, एक सेंटिमेंट है, बहुत क्लियर सेंटिमेंट है that धर्मेंद्र प्रधान has to resign और he needs to be sacked।
उस पर क्या हुआ?
से इस बारे में विस्तृत चर्चा हुई है। सरकार ने इस मुद्दे पर इस पॉइंट पर जवाब देने के लिए कल दोपहर तक का समय मांगा है। कहाँ नीचे कर दे? हमने सरकार को बता दिया है कि पूरे देश भर में इस समय प्रदर्शन चल रहे हैं, जो प्रदर्शन बढ़ते जाएंगे और अगर हमें जल्द ही धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का इस्तीफा या बर्खास्तगी नहीं मिली तो प्रदर्शन और व्यापक होंगे।
Mr. Nadda, the meeting was fruitful. Did they agree? Okay. JP Nadda, Union Minister, who was part of the meeting, has just come out, and let's see what the government has to say. Okay, will he hold a press conference? Let's come out. Okay. It's too chaotic outside. Okay.
साइलेंट प्लीज।
थोड़ा पीछे लो।
2 घंटे बातचीत चली। सरकार की ओर से मैं और मेरे साथ भारत सरकार के मंत्री जितेंद्र सिंह जी बातचीत में शामिल हुए। उनकी बातें हमने सुनी। बातें सौहार्दपूर्ण वातावरण में हुई और कई दृष्टि से उन सारी बातों पर हर तरीके से चर्चा हुई। उनकी मुख्यतः 3 डिमांड्स थी और 5 सुधार की दृष्टि से परीक्षा के लिए सुझाव थे। हमने उनको कहा कि हम कल आपके साथ दोपहर बाद मिलेंगे और फिर हम अपने जो चर्चा सरकार में होगी वो आपको बताएंगे।
Sir, has the government agreed? Sir, will the government agree to the demand? Will Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan resign? Sir, will the minister resign? Will Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan resign? Will the education minister resign, sir? Nadda ji, will the education minister resign? Sir, will the minister resign, sir? Sir, will the minister resign? Will Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan resign? Okay, that was Mr. JP Nadda. He waved at people. He waved at people post the meeting, and as if everything is positive, but the basic fundamental question as whether Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan would resign or not, that question he ducked, and he ducked. So finally we could gather as what really transpired in that meeting, a meeting which lasted for close to 2 hours. Now anybody who had been expecting that there would be a Friday new blockbuster releasing today being Friday, you are disappointed because the stalemate continues. And why do I say this? Because the CJP delegation led by Saurav Das and Ashutosh Naka, they put forth a couple of demands. Primarily, number one, resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. A demand which they have been making from day one, a demand which has also united others, a demand which has compelled others to take to the streets and united further more people, a demand which has only gained further amplification post 20th of July after Delhi police personally assaulted brutally harmless unarmed students. So that was their primary demand, a demand that they made on the talking table with the Government of India. The Government of India was represented by Union Minister Mr. JP Nadda, and the meeting was the meeting that lasted for 2 hours. Over there, the CJP delegation also highlighted a couple of other important facts. Number one, they are saying that look, our people are being forcibly picked up. There is massive surveillance going on. Those who are coming with food and water, they are being followed. Some are harassed. People who are coming and joining the protest, even they have been detained. Those who have been detained so far, they should be unconditionally released. So all those demands have been made before the government. But one demand which had been mentioned over and over again, that is the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. Did the Government of India commit anything? No. The Government of India did not commit anything. Mr. JP Nadda, I'm sure he cannot announce resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan in a press conference like here, and that to post the meeting. The Prime Minister never announced his resignation or has never announced that they are considering that as an option or an idea. So obviously JP Nadda stayed mum on that very question. I did ask. I literally chased his vehicle. I don't know how fruitful it is. That is an art I have learned from my previous organization, that go, chase, barge in, blah, blah, blah. So I tried doing it today after very long. I chased his vehicle while he had seen me asking the question. I'm sure I was loud enough to be audible inside the car. The question was pretty pointed and specific. Will Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan resign? Why isn't he resigning? Why isn't the government asking for his resignation? Will he do so? Will he do so? I kept on asking again. Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan did not respond. Now, what Mr. JP Nadda has said, that tomorrow, there is a possibility of another round of talks. I mean, the CJP delegation, they have been promised that give us 24 hours, we will get back to you. And I'm sure when you say get back to you, which means you want to get back to them on a talking table. So in 24 hours, there could be another talk between the delegation and the government of India. So whether the government of India will finally concede and agree to this very demand of resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, we have to wait and see. Many are saying government of India looks very beleaguered at the moment with the kind of protest which is happening and the kind of talks which are happening on the social media. Even the Prime Minister had to do an Instagram mode video and reach out to Gen Z, not as Mitro but as friends. Now, the Gen Z people are saying, who are you calling your friends? So obviously, at the moment, many are saying the government of India is in a very beleaguered state, and whether they finally concede to this demand, we have to wait and see. In 24 hours time, will the government take any decision, any hard stand? Again, we have to wait and see. Prime Minister Modi had announced there would be a cabinet happening today, and in the cabinet some strict decisions would be taken. Again, all eyes on that. But for now, round one of meeting has happened, which seems like has not been able to break the deadlock or end the impasse. And thus, Ashutosh Raka and Saurabh Das went back to Jantar Mantar, and I'm sure they would be making further announcements. So will there be another round of talks tomorrow happening? We have to wait and see. But आज के लिए ये जो कहानी है, ये जो किस्सा है प्रोटेस्ट की, ये आज शुक्रवार को तो ख़त्म नहीं हो रही है. कोई नई मूवी रिलीज़ नहीं हो रहा है. जो पुरानी थी वही चल रही है. तो जिनको उम्मीद थी कि नया कहानी सुनेंगे, कहानी में कोई ट्विस्ट नहीं है, कोई नयापन नहीं है. नयापन तब आएगा जब इनकी डिमांड मानी जाएगी, और सरकार वो डिमांड मान सकती है. अगर वो चाहे तो एक नया मूवी रिलीज़ हो सकती है जिसमें शायद ये प्रोटेस्ट ख़त्म होने के ऐलान भी हो. लेकिन फ़िलहाल के लिए अभी प्रोटेस्ट तो ख़त्म नहीं हो रही, और इसीलिए हमें जाना है वापस जंतर मंतर. Please keep watching NTT for more ground reports. We are here to give you reports from the ground. It's bad business to ask people to like, share and subscribe at this moment, and I will not do it. If you think आपको independent journalism को support करना चाहिए, because आप ही लोग हैं जो चिल्ला रहे गोदी मीडिया, गोदी मीडिया, गोदी मीडिया. जो गोदी मीडिया नहीं है उनको तो सपोर्ट करो. वोट नहीं मांग रहे, इलेक्शन नहीं है, वोट नहीं मांग रहे, चुनाव नहीं मांग रहे. हम ये परीक्षा, अग्नि परीक्षा नहीं दे रहे कि हम लोग ज़्यादा बेहतर है कि वो लोग. बस इतनी सी मांगे कि सहारा अगर चाहिए तो आप ही से चाहिए, और सहायता आप ही लोग दे सकते हैं. So it's a very basic thing that you can do. Like, share and subscribe. If you think this is at least non-shouting, clear and candid journalism, reflecting the ground, honest, truthful to the name, that is News the Truth, do support us by simply sharing the story. Like, share and subscribe. Apologies for saying this, but we do it. Keep watching News the Truth NTT along with my video journalist Ronish Chatra here in New Delhi. This is Samal Shah for News the Truth NTT.